Today I'm going to show you how to organize your files by making a folder. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your drive, the waffle right over here. So this is my drive. I have a lot of folders. Then you want to go to that new icon on the upper left-hand corner right over here and click folder. You're going to make a folder. For this class, we are developing a website that holds a lot of the information that we did this year. So if you want to call this folder website, and then what you can do is everything that is going to go on your website, you're going to put it in this folder first. Okay. And now remember that you're looking for pieces to put in your folder. So let's say you came upon, you have one of your essays you want to put in your website. What you want to do is you want to go to File, Move To. Okay. And you want to move this particular file into your website. So you got to look up here to determine what file it will be moved to. So if you move it to my drive, it's just going to be everywhere. You actually have to move it to a particular folder. You got to look for that website folder. Like I said, I have a lot of folders. There we go. Okay. And then there you go. It's in your website folder. So it's just as simple as that. Another thing that I want to point out that I don't know if some of you are aware of is on Google Classroom, there's due dates on the left-hand corner. So for example, due tomorrow is the revision and the blog post is due on Friday. So please keep an eye on that. Also, some of your essays might be under particular topics like argumentative. So if you want to look at that, uh, your you have your vocabulary is under Schoology, so you can look at that. You might have to just copy and paste that on a doc and then move that into a particular file. But it's just as easy as that. So have fun organizing.